everyone, it's Joey from the Wildwood Video Archive and the Wildwood Boardwalk Facebook page, and right now I want to show you a quick little video because I just found out that they're adding something new to the boardwalk, well, under the boardwalk, to make it easier for you guys to get on the beach. Now before I get started, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the notification bell. Let's get started. So a lot of people have complained over the years that there's not really a good way to get to the beach from the street. So here at 25th Street, they went ahead and did something great. They concreted the entrance right by the bathroom on 25th, all the way to the left side of Surfside Pier, all the way onto the beach, or at least to the walkway right here. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around and show you. As you can see, there is 25th Street, and there is the concrete walkway. And it's gonna go all the way right here, and then you guys can walk right on it, right onto the walkway into the beach. So what do you guys think? Isn't this fantastic? Now you can walk on here and not get anything in your sandals or step on any kind of rocks underneath the boardwalk. Now, do you guys like this ramp? Let me know in the comment section, and if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys later. See you on the beach!